Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Justin Steve. For the new subscribers, please go subscribe to Justin Steve. And then for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Welcome to always there with me. Wambie hi. Wambie hi. Hey, Wambie, how are you? I'm fine. Wambie, hey. So when he just spot you or hear you saying hi guys, he will just run until where you are. So he just heard me saying that. That's why he ran coming to me. Actually guys, we are doing fine. I don't know at your side how you are doing, but I hope everyone is doing well. As you can see, I'm at our compound. I think we have some good things for you today guys. So I want to show you what I'm going to do, and let me say I'm expecting some visitors. I don't know where they are from. I just heard that visitors are coming. So let me just do 1, 2, 3 and wait for the visitors, see who they are. And so guys, I'm not alone. Chacha Steve is here. So let him introduce and say what he's doing.
Man of the house is always around.
Yeah.
This is what I'm doing. You know guys, our compound is always clean, as you know very well, but you have to pass around.
So Darren is helping me.
Oh, you have to pass around wherever time you receiving some visitors, maybe at least you have to be neat. Yeah, let the visitors not come and find a place that it's not neat. So we are receiving visitors from a far place, and
do you have a clue where they are coming from? Me, I don't
know also. But we were called and we were told expect visitors today in the compound. Anytime. We don't know whether they are coming with a plane or they are coming on a car. Hey Baba, can you leave? Yeah. So we have to be, because we are responsible people back in the compound.
Yeah.
So we are doing 1, 2, 3 to make sure the compound is very clean. Yeah. Also.
And today the day was so busy.
Yeah, we started by taking out our kettles. After taking care of our kettles, we went to the shamba. Yeah, to finalize putting fertilizer.
Not finalizing because
it was a little bit to finish the fertilizer that we have.
Yeah, the fertilizer that we have.
Baba, can you leave please? Yeah, then we will be working.
Then now we are back.
Yeah,
preparing for the visitors. Yeah,
actually it's a preparation to receive our visitors. Keep tuned.
It's only that we saw that when we don't go to the shamba today. Where Darren?
You know, my son is trying to play with my stand. Yeah. Yeah. So that's about it guys. So everyone here, you know, this is a home of content creators.
Yeah.
So everyone will be on his angle, his or her own angle, creating content of what she is doing.
Yeah. On
the preparation of the visitors. Meanwhile, with I will be collecting the thorns and Justin will be helping.
I'll be sweeping.
You will be sweeping, Cindy.
Let me. You can see there. It's somehow.
Yeah, and I will be collecting all the papers, all the litters in the compound, dumping them in the dump it there. So let's go on. Have your camera.
So guys, let's start the cleaning. As you can see here, we have our Antanakamara's leaves. We like using them. They are the best. Yeah. So I wanna use them to clean. Okay. Isara ni kumanyangia matambi hona bene naga tindene. Ukwela batatu.
Wewe toka hapo taduni, toka hapo takuja ongea kwa ndani hapo ndani bro.
So guys, I'm going to cook this. Acha darling, acha. This one will be our meat for today for our visitors. You can see how big it is. This one is our big cock. Chapa shini. Darren, hiyo ni mbaya. Mwaga hiyo maji. Mwaga. Mwaga, sawa? Mwaga. Mwaga. Mwaga maji. Mwaga chini. Mwaga. Bye. Chape. Lete kiboko chape. Hiyo ni mbaya. Sawa? chapwa. Mama. Eti. Unajua chapa? Mwaga. Dare niacha. Chako ni mwagia mama. Sawa. Yana na kitanga na tarusi chini macho. Mekimbia. Umekimbia. Dare niacha. Dare. Chafa. So I think my meat now is ready. So I wanna wash it. Let me first throw this there. I wanna wash my mboga. La 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 la. La, la, la. Oh, I have to remove this cutting. Nini, umejiumiza? Papa, umeumia? Pole. Kuna nini? Let me attend my door. He took the water that is heavy. Nyamaza basi, nyamaza. Darren, Darren. Cooking from this floor. I think I'll be cooking from the inside because the firewood that I'm going to use, because this cock it's hard. You see, it was big and it's hard, so I need to cook from the inside so that it can cook faster. When they arrive, when the visitors arrive, they get one. Can you even the red is not breaking? Huh? Do you cook the legs from your side, guys? We usually cook everything. Only the intestines, but the rest we cook. And we eat them. Not only cooking, we cook and eat them. So I don't know whether to your side you do cook everything like us. Until the head, it's here. Don't say the where is the head, it's here. We are cooking it. And we eat them. Like me, I love eating the head. The head of a cock. Well, very nice. It has some things on top. Guys, today is a busy day. Kacha Steve is not around. He went to counter check for something to town. Shh. This one wants to eat her fellow. His fellow chick. His fellow chicken. And I don't know if I can give it. Let me test. Oh. You see, they are eating. They eat each other. So, you must be careful. It was big, guys. See, it's a cock and it has some, we call them eggs at our side. They are big. And somebody once said, if you leave it to live a bit, it could produce those eggs. They're small eggs. So, I think I'm done. I'm just, because why I've used this sufuria, the person told me he's not taking tomatoes or any ingredients, only the the onions. So I'm going to put soup that is enough, so that I put fire that is enough, and so that when it cook, the soup remains at least the thick. So keep tuned until I'm going to cook from inside, guys. So guys, here is where I'll be cooking from. So let me just put more firewood, then put my meat. Oh, my firewood are just here. Just picking from here, putting here. Can see how we make these are the three-legged stones that we used to cook. So we decide to make it easy for us to cook and use little firewood. You just don't know if it's molding. Yeah, you just mold with the clay soil, and that's how it is. So I'm just going to lit fire from here. I'll be using this cutting. That way. So I put it like this. Wow. And I'll put more firewood, then salt, then add more water and let it cook. I think this water is enough. Let it cook a bit, then I'll come to come. So you've decided to surprise us?
We, I'm back. Baba, shika ini yako. Sema yangu. Yako. Yangu. Yeah, I brought this. Yeah. For the big party tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. This is what I've got. Yeah. You think where are we gonna tie it now?
Down there.
Down where?
Hapo kwa mboga zangu.
No.
Kumaruruga kama tiki.
Matawaruga. Hata kama kageni. Tiga hari abantu baraheta wana honka geni. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm from the market, guys. Yeah, you know it's a preparation for for receiving our visitors. Yeah, I think you've seen from Justine's part. You have slaughtered a goat. A hen.
Yeah.
The big one.
It's cooking.
It's cooking. Have you talked with the mom?
No.
Okay, I give you some instructions.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how it is, guys. This is the big goat you have purchased for the party tomorrow. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me
what
seek
do
up
you
this
have for me? Because I'm not taking a goat.
You are left behind.
Happy, help me with the knife I cut here. I have my Sirare food, guys, which is rice. It's Sirare food suppliers. It's grade 1. So I wanna cook it so that my visitors can eat. Hii kitu nitajua kutoa. They will eat with that chicken. And I'm going also to move the veggies from my kitchen garden. I'm going to bring and cook for them also. Allah. With my baby boy on my back. Where? Baba. Huh? Baby gun. Shoes yako tu. Yeah.
Wow.
He's from asleep.
But still he wants to sleep.
So I have here my rice.
This is Mcheles of Sirari food.
Yeah, it's Sirari
From Tanzania border.
grade 1.
Grade 1.
You can see, very good and clean. Yeah. So clean.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna measure. No wastage of food. Want to measure it?
There is no food that is wasted in this compound. We will eat today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tuongore kabisa. Tuongore kabisa.
Uyogore. Okyonyere.
Ateko.
I think that one is enough.
Okay, yeah. Because we have a big hen.
A big?
Hen.
It's a cock. You know a hen is the one laying.
Whatever.
So let me tie it. Because I'm busy right now.
Somebody one day suggested on the comment section that we should not be working with the kid while I'm there. Do you know, guys, how selective Darren is? It's good he be carried by his mom, his mom, Cindy, rather than me sometimes. You know, kids are always kids. You have to bear with us. Like right now, if I attempt to carry him, he will cry. You see? So instead of crying noise in the camera, we just go with the one that he wants. You know, kids are very much selective. There is a time they want me to carry him, and even her mom cannot come close to him.
I can remember there is that day, I don't know, we were doing a video and he refused me to take him.
Yeah.
You took him on your back.
Yeah, on my back. You see now?
So you were doing videos with him on your back.
Yeah.
So I'll be cooking from this.
Okay.
Because there are others for here, I used it to cook that because they need soup without tomato. Yeah, so they need just add water.
So the goodness is this rice, you don't wash a lot.
Yeah.
Just put water, wash a little bit.
Clean.
It's
Actually,
clean.
it's clean. Just a matter of washing.
Yeah.
Then you put it over. And guys, my rice is ready. So I wanna put it here to this hot pot here and wait for the visitors. And finally my meat is here. Hey, it has cooked well. Well, you can see how soup it has cooked because they ordered me. They instructed me not to put any tomato, any ingredients, only the onions. As you can see, here are the onions. Only the onions for soup. No oil. The oil that you are seeing here, it's just for the chicken itself. It had a lot of fat. So, okay. I wanna put it here. I wanna place it here. Raiden, how is you? You are from school?
Yes.
You can say hi.
Hi guys.
How do you feel I have cooked you this big meat?
Yes.
It's good. Okay. So let me just put them here. I wanna serve you, Cindy.
Yes.
Okay. So let me just serve it inside here. So that it has cooked, guys. Wow. I like the way it has cooked. I feel like also taking the soup. I think I'll have to take before they
Mimi
arrive.
ni kuku gani?
Because I'm the one who cooked.
Mimi ni ile kuku kubwa. Umeipata wapi?
Nisi tumeshika baba.
Hapa kwetu.
Si ndio? Happy? Happy? If you are eating, you can come and I serve you. No, I'm not going to put for the visitors the legs. The legs are mine to test. So,
Mami mguni nzito.
Like the head. Dare nacha. I think I need to serve you. Cynthia?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you this. You hear if it has cooked well. Let me add you soup. Because it has that we have cooked. We have to taste first.
Okay.
Yeah, you can eat and tell me. First, taste the meat and tell me if it has cooked well.
Mami, nitakula kichwa ya kuku. Wow, so good. Nice, yummy. Na kameiva poa.
Oh,
You won't struggle.
okay. Can you tuna with your hand?
Yeah.
You can just remove with your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I wanted now. Thank you, God. I have cooked it the way the visitor wanted. So, I think these ones, when you give a visitor, you give the huge ones. Guys, so for the remaining, you see the head. The head is mine, but Braden has this bit that he's going to eat the head. Can I give you the head right away? Okay, let me just give you your head. It's here. Take and eat. Then, yeah, I think will you take soup, Braden?
Yes.
Okay. Let's finish first. Because the visitors are the ones who wanted soup minus tomato.
Mimi like soup.
Let them come and take, and as we are going to take a little. Soup. So guys, let us enjoy and wait for our visitors.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, our visitors have arrived and I think the food is here. Before they eat, I think they will introduce the food for them. Yeah.
Themselves.
Okay,
Starting by the
Okay, starting by me, my name is Lynette_KE, and thank you so much for preparing food for us. So guys, keep on supporting Houston Steve, and we are so glad that you've been taking care of the home with Steve. We appreciate your good work, and may God bless you.
Thank
So
you.
we have the chicken here. It's so yummy.
It is so
I can't
yummy.
wait to eat around 5 of them.
I wish you saw. I think you've been watching the video. You've been watching my videos. It's the big cock you've been seeing. Ile kubwa. Yeah. Second, it's you.
Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn741 and thank you so much for supporting Houston Steve. Yeah, we are super happy and we can't wait to eat. Houston is a chef. Yeah, so we are going to eat.
Me, I will get closer to where the food is. At least, let me introduce.
While seeing what is there.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, my name is Chalokush. Super happy to be back home also. Lynette is my wife. Lynette.
Yeah, I'm here.
Proud wife.
The wife, the queen.
Yeah, so Chalokush, also check my YouTube channel too. And thank you so much, Houston, for the good cooking. Hii kuku is kienyeji, si ndio?
Yeah, pure kienyeji.
Kienyeji means
It was
organic,
very big, I think.
organic chicken. Yeah, that's so good. without sprays.
That's grace.
Everything organic without so many things.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Close to Tash.
Yeah, I'm Tash_KE on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting Eustin Steve. I think she left. Alikuwa amemonetize kweli?
Yeah, almost. She had
She was
monetized.
almost
Yeah.
monetizing. So congratulations to Eustin
You've already
Steve for
seen some dollar
monetizing.
sign. Yeah.
She already even received.
She has received.
Yeah, she have already been paid. She's also.
Do you know how long it took us?
Eh?
Do you know how long it took us before? See, tulikuwa tu tunaona dollar. We were just seeing the dollar sign. But waiting, it was a very long wait.
Yeah. Eustin has already been paid. One.
So congratulations, Eustin Steve. Next time you receive a salary, share. Share something. Thank you for cooking for us.
Okay. And I think mom is outside, guys, feeding the kid at least. Yeah. I think she will be coming. She's supposed to introduce herself in Eustin Steve's channel. People have missed her lot.
This food is so yummy. Guys.
And it has been cooked the way we cook.
Sure.
The way we love.
But these sides, the chicken from this side, they taste different.
They are so sweet.
They are not sprayed.
Yeah, not straight. Yes? Unajua hizi vibakuli zisiache, ni za supu mkunywe. Kuna supu ya kukunywa.
Hii ni mboga.
Hiyo unaiona hapo.
Chalo. Kula.
Niko food yangu.
Hey.
Ni hii yangu. Guys, the food was already prayed for, so we dig in.
That's the work of Eustin's hands.
We brought you pishori by the way.
Thank you very much. I have
You know,
seen it.
guys, in our country, when the food is good, you don't say, "Oh, delicious." For us, you say,
And even the same.
Usisahau kuna mboga.
But there kuna greens.
Kuna mboga hapa
Yeah,
by
we have some greens here.
"Ngoja ni
nyama kwanza.
Hiyo food ni tamu.
noma hiyo."
Okay. Have a nice enjoy, guys.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
And
I
then,
know you are tired
Yes.
and hungry.
and then the good thing, how like you just cooked it very simple, sindio?
Yeah.
No tomato, no ingredients.
You cannot
It's just onions
niliweka
and
maji 10 liter.
Ndio hivyo.
Nilijua ni ngumu.
hiyo kuku ilikuwa imekomaa. Hey, hey. Ilikuwa imekomaa. Wewe hujui.
Wewe hujui. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think now Madia can introduce.
So I brought the fruits. I wanna chop them for Eustin at least. We start in mangoes. Huh? Intake? Imburi. Ngikibana. Tengeni.
Arere nginyane.
So kinengeni. Nganya no kenga tunu kinge. No ndano gani yeka kwi.
Maji ya kunywa kwa ile jug nimeweka huko chini. Ayungu ye. Kono nda kumahata. Hari kumaha.
I think 3 will be enough. So, the melon is nakuuliza lakini. Eat one, buy two. Samaki. Samaki hata saa hii naweza pata maabere. Kila nini ngege. Kuna mbichi kabisa. Kuna mama analetanga huko. Zinakuanga fresh, zinatoka lake. Wow. Ini green. Tunashinda mama nyevu. I will not serve before I taste.
Inakuja mata yuko. Chota tu hapo. Kisikia unaumia sana.
Well, still there is more coming. So you should open your stomachs wider.
Have you ever eaten like you are moving away from a place? Tunakula ni kama tunahama.
Really fast taste. They like melons.
You want to finish us
Let
with
me
food?
wash
So welcome.
so that I come fresh.
Thank you for the cook.
You still.
Yeah?
It's like we'll carry you to the mountain.
Wow.
One thing I have realized, slow cooked food is the best. Slow cooked food.
Yeah. Are the best.
Pressure cooker.
By the way, that one, there is no pressure cooker that was used.
Firewood.
You see?
It's the best.
Firewood. Imagine adding 10 liters in water.
Lynette is going to vomit and come back.
No. Maybe we prepare a gym for her.
The objective of this week, guys, is to make sure that there is no chicken that is left.
By end of the day,
But
we should have eaten chicken.
more chicken.
If it's not chicken,
Fish.
fish.
And it's still up.
And if not fish,
It's chicken.
One rule is that eat one, buy two.
Which one?
You eat one chicken, buy two.
Small ones.
Yeah, in that they continue growing.
that's a good one.
Zile za 50, zile za 50. Sawa. Kareta hivyo.
So enjoy yourself, guys. Okay. And our mom is here, guys. You still introduce your mom?
Yeah, you know, I missed her so. And she has come when she's young. She's not.
She went old.
Yeah,
She's back young.
Yeah, she's young. You can see from the face.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you can introduce yourself, ma'am.
Oh, hi guys, my name is Scholastica. Mother-in-law to you, Steve. Here, here is my daughter-in-law.
Yeah.
Jamani, I am very grateful because of her. Because she's the one who was taking care of my home, taking care of my anything. Yeah, I thank God because I got her. Everything in the compound. You don't worry about my English. You guys, you are the one who are teaching me now.
Yeah.
You know, nowadays I can mention one. And I am improving.
So long as we can understand,
Hey.
you are good.
Yeah, you just laugh that, but I am.
You are one in a million.
Yeah. Even now, people are watching me from different
Countries.
Countries, yeah.
Yeah.
Even continents, not only
I'm
countries,
very happy
continents.
about this guy because I ninashukuru Mungu where I got from.
It's you who got or me?
If you got her, but me, I am happy about
Yeah,
it.
you know, you could guess me, but when I could come, mom to refuse.
You just laugh, but I am happy because she's the one of yeah, guys. So I thank God for all that journey. It is almost 3 months. I left
it's
her
almost
in
3
the
months.
in the
Compound.
home in home. So God bless you abundantly.
Thank you.
Yeah, with my grandchildren
Kids, they are
here,
here enjoying the melons.
Brayden and yeah, I pray God to help you
Okay.
and giving you more life.
Okay.
Yeah, me here, I am happy
Okay.
and I am okay, guys. But you know, if God done, you must
Thank you.
thank Him. So I'm thanking God because of healing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay,
now I
that's
am
nice.
good.
Okay.
Don't worry, behind the camera was Chacha Steve, guys.
We are happy to see
We are happy
mom
to
back
see mom
again.
back again.
Very healthy.
Yes.
But I am backing then again. Don't think that I am going to leave here for you only. I am going to back again then.
Don't worry. Even we are used, guys.
So long as we have seen you, yeah.
So long as we have seen her, she's
Yeah.
healthy. We are used to stay alone.
Yeah, again.
From today, you know that this home is yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we have.
not
We
mine.
have. That's what we have came to realize.
Yeah.
Since you left and we were left as alone. Actually, it's when I just felt now the gap.
Yeah, but
And I just felt the home to be ours now. You know, we are the growing people now.
hey guys, ninawashukuru sana.
Okay.
Have that heart. Yeah. God bless you.
You will not go now to the maze. You wait. You will thank us.
I know everything is going
There are
well.
more thanks in this.
Yeah.
There are more thanks in the course of this week.
Yeah.
So it's okay, mom. Welcome home. We are super happy to see you once again.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think you still come inside here. So guys,
Yes.
we wanna end our video.
Don't worry, guys. Here we just sit the way we want.
Okay, we wanna end our video.
So thank you so much for the nice food. I've really eaten, and I wanted to share my experience today on our stopover, the food we ate there. I had some. Have you ever felt hungry for some food that was not so good? So we've eaten this one. It has made.
It has cancelled.
It has cancelled that feeling. Now we feel good. Thank you so much for the good food and for the good welcome. We feel grateful. Guys, support Houston Steve on her channel and also check our channels too.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.